Oh my goodness, no one else has just been spotted with a new girlfriend hanging around. And do you know what is most shocking about this? No one else is hanging around with a Jamaican girlfriend. Oh my god, I can't wait to see these guys having babies, giving birth to Jamaican babies and American babies. I know the Jamaicans watching this video are very happy of this news, and even the US fans. Like, aren't you guys happy to see one of the best track and field athletes having a Jamaican girlfriend? I'll be sharing with you who this Jamaican lady is. I'll be exposing her in case you want to know who this Jamaican lady is. I'll be exposing her face and everything you need to know. So this is the picture they actually took before they took the private jet, the private plane, because they traveled together through a plane. I think no one else Lyles owns the private plane. So they traveled together to just have a chill time, and I'm so happy because you imagine a US with a Jamaican? Like, I can't wait to see them getting married, giving birth to kid. Like, which nation do you think those kids will represent? Are they going to represent Jamaica, or are they going to represent US? It's going to be complicated, and I can't wait, honestly. And also, there's this news I saw on social media that the no one has girlfriend, which is jounelle Bromfield, is having a beef with Shaccarri Richardson. Guess why? Because she is a Jamaican track star, only showing love to her own. You see why we have to support Shaccarri. She has haters everywhere. Them Jamaicans ain't nice at all. They love beef, and I'm wondering why Shaccarri didn't hug Noah after the relay. So this is a post I saw on Facebook. I don't know whether this is true or not, but you guys can help me verify whether it is true or not. Is it true that Shaccarri is having a beef with Noah Lyles? Please tell me in the comment section in case you know anything about this, so I can make my next video. So this girl is called Bromfield jounelle. She's from Jamaica. A lot of Jamaicans watching this video should have known her because she's not that popular, but if you go and search about her on Google, you see her details. Her name is jounelle Bromfield, a Jamaican beautiful queen. And like I said, I can't wait to see these guys getting married, giving birth to kid. And which nation do you think they will represent?